behaviour as being a public nuisance and messing around and causing annoyance to members of the public.
Antisocial behaviour is drawing graffiti, messing up public property and destroying public parks.
A major hotspot for antisocial behaviours behind McClister's in the old bus station.
Funmargy, the forests would be, litter would be dropped all over the ground.
Bus stations, schools, beaches, forests.
Graffiti would be written all over the walls as well.
Antisocial behaviour in Ballycastle would usually occur at night time and especially at the weekends.
Our schools recently vandalised, they graffitied the wall. Some people meet up in Ballycastle just to fight. Some spots are the Diamond, Towpath and the park.
We need to lobby for better facilities and more activities to lessen the chance of antisocial behaviour.
We need to lobby more police patrols and more cameras in the general area so then we can have more control over the town.